Yeah, I guess.
30's ready when you are, man. Oh, you're a pretty bird, yes you are. You're a pretty boy. I don't know if you're a girl or a boy, but you're a pretty boy. I'll take you home. I got my shorts to go to. I'm sorry. I gotta go.